Hello YouTube, it's me, Everyone00, and today we're gonna be playing Colon Admin House. Well, oh my gosh. Hold up, let me get a new server. Hold up. I gotta get, this is what I record with. I'll probably be showing this every day in my video. Link is right there, if you can see. But anyways, let me get in. I need to get a new server, cause I don't wanna be in this server, because look at this. Like, where's the map? So I'm gonna have to get another server, because I don't want to be in this server. This server is weird. Yeah, but we joined this server. This server looks nice, unless if the game's full. If it's full, then rip the dream. But anyways, oh shoot, I gotta look back at this video and see if you saw them got Robux, because I don't want to get hate in the comments and say that I'm bragging and that I got Robux and bragging so much. People's trolling already. Matter of fact, look, I was gonna troll today. That's what I was gonna do. That's what I'm doing in today's video. But look, see, I'm that level 649. But anyways, I got abuse commands, I think. I gotta check. I haven't played this game in a while. I probably played it last month. Actually, probably 26th month. I don't know if I made this game. I think I played it last year. Well, I played it this year, but it was like 11 months ago. But look, I'm gonna try to get everybody in the screen. You see, that's everybody in the server. I think 1, 2, 3. Oh, this guy. I'm just gonna troll these guys. Speed others 0. Mute others. I think I can mute others. I gotta see. Could I mute? Did I mute others? Oh shoot, that's good. Yay, jail others. And guys, I am not abusing. Well, I am abusing, but I'm not officially abusing, because look, it's abuse admin commands. The owner gave it to us so we can abuse. So I'm basically technically abusing and trolling, but I can do it because I bought it for a lot of Robux. I'm just gonna do on the fly others. Mute others. I'm sorry guys, if you watch my videos, I'm very sorry. But I got troll for y'all. Yeah. Oh shoot, I can't. Oh. Anyways guys, I don't know who the frick is Alex, but yeah, Alex. Hey Alex. Alex. No, I can't talk. Someone trolling me. Someone's trolling me. No. No, someone trolls me. Someone trolled me. Hold up, I'm gonna... Look. Here, I'll see what this guy does. Cause honestly, I wanna see what people do. I wanna see what they do. Yeah. So come on, man. Come on, bring me around. There. Oh my god, bro. I can't move. Well, I can't type. I think someone got the same command as me. Anyway, guys, I got the camo commander. Oh my gosh. He smoked me. Oh, bro, this sucks. What the crap? Anyways, I don't even know if I'm gonna publish this, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. If I sound miserable, I'm sorry. I'm a bit sick still, but have a nice day. Bye.